How to save money in college. That is what we were talking about today. I am Chase. Welcome back to the Young and Intelligent Money Investing channel. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to save money in college. Now these aren't going to be ways to make money. These are going to be ways to save the money you already have in college. I'm often getting asked, how do I have money to invest in college? Because it's kind of like a financially tight time. You don't have a job. It's likely you don't have a job. You might be working part-time for likely low wages. But pretty much everybody's tight on money around college campuses, and these are going to show you some ways to save money and also be able to have some fun, not have to be kind of like impeded by your finances in college. So let's get into this. Number one is going to be efficient with the money that you use. So when you are in college, a lot of the times you're going to, like, let's say you are on a dining hall meal plan, which many of you likely are, and most college students will be. So you want to be efficient. So instead of going out all the time, you want to use that dining hall meal plan as much as you possibly can. While it might be really tempting to order in food, like a lot more convenient, but it's going to be a lot more expensive. That's the thing. So you could spend $15 on a delivery because it really adds up when you pay for the pizza, delivery fee, tip. It can add up, and that's just expenses that you want to avoid because they're going to nickel and dime you whenever they can, and when you could go downstairs and have a meal that you've already paid for. Number two, don't go out just to go out. Now, it's going to be really tempting because there's always social stuff going around on campus, but when you're going out 5-6 days a week, you are just going to burn through money like no one else. It's going to be absolutely insane, and you'll notice that as you go out more and more. So I try and limit how often I go out, like 3-4 times a week, 2-3 times a week, depending on what's going what's going on socially and everything like that. And when I do go out, I don't spend a lot of money at bars. So there'll be a little bit of a cover to get into a bar, and that's okay. It's probably going to be like $10. But when you're in there, it's still going to be pretty expensive to buy drinks. That's where these bars make most of their money, especially like the restaurant bars. They have relatively cheap food, but then the drinks are going to be expensive, and that's where they're going to get all their money from you. Now, you want to avoid having to spend that much money at the bars. So, in order to do that, my best strategy is just pregame before you go out, and your wallet will thank you later. So, when you're going out, like, let's say, I'm a pretty big guy, I'm 6'8", over 200 pounds, so I can drink quite a bit. Sorry about that. And before I go out, I don't want to have to spend, if I want to get a good buzz or anything like that at the bar, I don't want to spend money to buy 5 or 6 drinks, 6 or 7 drinks. So I'll have 3 or 4 couple beers beforehand and then go out. And then that halves the amount of money I spend at the bar on drinks. And that way I can have it be more of a social occasion rather than just trying to maybe catch up to other people that are drinking. And obviously you don't need to drink to have fun, but a lot of other people are, so I'm just trying to help the majority of people who are going out, who are spending money, buying alcohol, drinking alcohol, stuff like that. So lastly, we're going to want to resist those impulse buys. Now, I know it is so easy nowadays to buy pretty much anything that you could possibly want with Amazon, with all the stores around college campuses. All these people are trying to prey on your impulses to just make a quick click, maybe just walk right into a store that's on the way to class or way back from class. They want to nickel and dime you for as many dollars as they can because they know that some students are usually not that great with their finances. So that's kind of why I wanted to make this video today. Just resist those impulse buys. Definitely save as much money as you can, and especially when you have like a summer job, have some money saved up. You are working so many hours for that money that you have. Why would you want to give it up on stupid things like a quick drink at a bar or some stupid purchase on Amazon that you're probably only going to use for a couple times? So, just going over these, be efficient. Don't just go out to go out. Don't give all your money to these bartenders at the bars and the owners of the bars, and resist impulse buys. That is how you're going to have money to have a relatively large portfolio like I do. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please drop a like down below and subscribe if you haven't already. See ya.